Hello, hello, good morning. Welcome to another ES Futures trading stream. Today is Monday, July 22nd. It is 11:17 a.m. I have been having a lot of issues with OBS with the stream. I couldn't stream immediately. I just configure out the settings again. I just have this screen, this display available. I could not find a way to have this one in there. It was an interesting opening what we have today. Right? Remember, this is the time frame that we are having. Monthly is unchanged, but it's just this key level here, and the previous month high, which is this high here, which is between the two, just above the 2-week range and below this weekly low. Right, the market has ended one time frame higher in the weekly time frame, and that level is this one. This is a low. This is one range that we have in the upper side, and this is another range that we have in the lower side. One of the things that we were talking about last week was, the odds the market may be building some value in this single print area. If that happens later, we may have a resolution here. It will be to the upside or to the downside. But right now, the market is, rejecting the penetration of this range, which makes me remember of the trade that happened here in the Dow. This is just, the similarities are just, it's outstanding, right? When the market has this break, we have this range here from the beginning of the year. The market tried multiple times. The market tries to get to the opposite, and it failed. After the failure, the market has a really, really nice rally, which was retraced again. This action, I'm not saying that's going to happen, right? But the behavior of the participants are having lots of similitudes from to this trade here. This is the Dow, right? We don't have good high in the Russell. The Dow is holding, but it's weakening. This rally, this advance is weakening. Notice how many lows do we have here? Very close together, very weak here. Outside of me may have a range between this high and this low. Okay, information. And we have the ES here and Nasdaq here. The range here, Nasdaq has reached the opposite side of this range, right? So there can be some sideways trading here. And notice where, this is just pure technical. This is pure technical, very close to this trend line here. And also, the 50 also is right there for the Nasdaq. And the market is defending this level, not defending, but trading back and forth from this level. And if I take a deeper look, or closer look, this is what I have. Those levels that I was talking about are this. This is the high, the 10 range. This is the low, the 10. This is the low of the upper range. So you can identify. So you can see it better, right? These are in green, the ones that have more relevance. These ones are in green. And no, it just failed. I don't know if you remember, there was, I guess was here, somewhere in here, we have a situation when the overnight inventory, when the overnight profile has like a 4 or 7, was 4 or 7 wide. Now we have the same situation, but in the opposite direction, right? Market is going lower. We have overnight profile here that has a high that is 10 white. This is unbelievable weak here. You know, if this level is taken, technically has been corrected, but I don't think that the action, the inventory has been taken completely out here or has been rebalanced, because notice that these highs here actually are adding to what we have here. There's this overnight, there is in between these 2 days. Now we have 10 white in the overnight plus 3 in the daily time frame. So the potential here to the upside is huge. But what happens if that doesn't happen? Right now we're having value developing higher here. What is something that I am carrying from the overnight is this low here. It is just to the tick. Set exactly to the tick there. Now traders are crazy following price here. But I see potential that the market coming towards this area here. But so far, the market has been bought from value area high, right? So there is no here, no penetration value area yet. And Nasdaq is having a kind of a really nice break right now. Nasdaq is deep into Friday's value area now. I think it looks like liquidation has started there. Markets, something that happened from the opening, market opening way up here, right? This craziness, just following the higher prices, right? Traders just got crazy here following price. But one thing that got me here, oh, look at this. What it was bought here? So this buying is completely mechanical. One tick from this, so you have this one plus this one now. All right, and the market got out of Friday's range in the first period, which shows signs of strength. Okay, now Nasdaq, take a look at Nasdaq. What Nasdaq is doing now is being bought from exactly overnight hardback. That is not good, man. That's that low is unbelievable weak right there. Okay. Just low odds that low is going to hell. Now this is the second time the market is trying to get into value area. Now we have value area high here. All right. You want to be part of this? All right. It's totally fine with you. Now, I think right now I am carrying this level here, which is the 85.25. Let me, how is this one? 85.25. This 10. But for today's intraday session, there's a huge block here. Okay, so now there could be the developing of this trade can start actually right now, can be starting now. Notice where value area is, where POC is. If there is something here to the downside, the market will need to form a second distribution here, meaning that this low has to be taken and build value below here. Otherwise, POC is going to remain high. Very mechanical selling here. Now, regarding volume, let's check volume here. Now, we have increased volume in the second and third periods, but not much, maybe 5%. Let's check that out. How much do we have? 8.5%. 8.5%. Remember, opening inside previous day range is an advertisement for chop. Then we have something here to the outside, signaling strength, short-term strength. Now we have market coming back inside previous day range with potentially targets the opposite side of the range. Balance guidelines apply here. So there's a lot of things going on here. Lots of things going on here. You know, the political environment is also very shaken. President Biden is not going to run for re-election. He's endorsing Vice President Harris, which increases the odds, right, of the Democratic Party to have another term. Decreases the odds of Donald Trump. But this is something the market doesn't like, right? Markets don't like uncertainty. And the political landscape is very uncertain. Now we have something here. We are having something here. Now check this out. Check this level here. And this is support being built here. I mean resistance being built here. Is this one here. Now, if the market takes this level back, that can be a long. As long as it remains from this level, it's a short. But it's a day to the upside. It's a day to the upside. Value is higher, so the directional trade is. You have to figure out that. You need to understand those things as well. Let's see. I guess I can use this screen to do the streams and make my. Let me see. I'm just thinking about something here. There you go. I guess this can work. I'm going to move this lower to a smaller position here in the bigger screen. All right. Look at that, man. Look at that. Let's see this level. I'm very interested in this level here. Yeah, which is the breakout. This is the high of this 10-day range here. Three wide high, 2 wide low. This. Come on, there's nothing clear in this market, man. There's nothing clear here. I mean, I am not looking for certainty. I am not looking for something like say, okay, I am 100% sure, right? But at least maybe something like 60%, 65, 70%. The odds that I can get something. Right? When you are absolutely sure of something, that usually means that the opportunity has passed you by. And that's when everybody can see. Everybody can see what's going on. When everybody can see what's going on, there's not a good business anymore. I have this line here. This is value area high. Very. No, that's not good odds. This looks like it's not going to hold. I want to see something better would be trading from this area, right? Either if this level holds or if it's breaking to the upside and it's used as a support, or breaking, it breaks and is taken back, right? And uses it as a resistance again. I am particularly not attracted to this market. What market generated information is telling me here, yeah, there are some odds here that the market is going to target or can target price low, or at least the overnight low. But those highs, the triple high there, makes me aware. Just look at where this low is being bought from. Now Nasdaq is selling from overnight high back. Look at take a look at this. This trade here, exactly to the tick, right? We have to the tick here. We have to the tick. This time to the upside. The divergence in this market is notable. It's very notable. You got to see that one market has tremendous weakness to the upside, the other one weakness to the downside. All them doing different things, right? The Russell is trending lower. The Dow is holding. It's an inside day. The ES and Nasdaq have ended one time frame lower, and very rare that we have a V recovery. Usually there is some sideways trading, which means auto chop and rotation are high. Just got to be aware of that. And when you have those kind of odds, the potential is, if you have, or if I have anything, it's one twos. So I don't expect much. I don't expect much if I got something here. All right. I am keeping an eye on this level here. This one, what the market does relative to this level right now, as of 11:35 a.m. Right? Look at this high, very questionable high, very questionable low here. Not very mechanical. It's just a sign who is behind the trade right now. If you have any questions, please just let me know. We have plenty of time here. I think I can leave this up here while I'll keep watching the market. Now, the market is back inside previous day range. All right? This is one thing. This is extremely questionable high. And now, at this moment, as of 11:42, has just reached value area low, has taken this half back, has taken this half back out. You know, this very questionable low here. Let's see now if the market rejects or accept the penetration of Friday's value area here. Downside continuation has overnight POC as next reference in the lower side, and the stop. This level of this area here is the stop. Notice how now we are below today's value area, way below. POC is up here. To move POC lower, market needs to build value here, needs to have some sideways trading here. And so far we have had two rotations. We have a rotation today. There's a lot of chop and rotation here in this market. So just be careful here. All right. You know, this I got a put here. I got a 50-50 put. I just closed that one. No, it didn't develop. I just closed that. All right. All right. Look at this. What we are having now? We are right at support. Or in this case, resistance right here. Let's see if some volume comes here. There was nothing here. Just big blocks along the way. But notice how we have 4 white here, 4 white here, 4 white here, and the potential to have 4 whites here all the way up, all the way up to the daily high. So just got to be very careful here. There's a lot of rotation in this day. There's a lot of uncertainty also. Markets hate uncertainty. That's one thing for sure. Markets don't like uncertainty. And on the political side of this, added to the break that looked like it was a long liquidation here. It just gives us a lot of uncertainty. There is nothing clear now. What I will do, we have value area higher than yesterday. Same goes for Nasdaq. The Dow also has not taken Friday's low. Russell has a very questionable high, so there's potential in both markets to make or to end one time frame lower. If that happens, all the indices will be in sync. All the indices will be in sync. I don't have anything to the downside, other than this indication here, which the market has or did not have continuation. The market is rejecting the penetration of the value area high. It was also at the time we talk about how the current prices were below value area low, very unfair prices, and especially having this high here, very questionable high here. If this high is not taken today, I believe something here is bound to happen. Not today. I'm not saying today. Not saying the coming days. I don't know when. All right? But when it happens, this is going to be a virulent. This has the potential to be or to have a virulent reaction to the outside because it's just too high here. Right? There is just so much stops in this area. All right? And if this happens, in this area, if all these stops are taken, the market will be back inside this 10-day range high, the upper range, right, which targets this high here. Targets the opposite side of the range, with a stop, somewhere in between this gap here. We have higher volume today, about 10% higher, which is decreasing actually. It's decreasing a little bit. Let me give you kind of like an exact number. Let me check that out. It is 7% now. 7%. Just be careful. There's a lot of rotation here, a lot of chop, but there is certain strength in this market. Short-term, it has some short-term strength. I will still consider this a critical area. It can be support or resistance. Right now, this will be support, right? Because we have an upside day. All right. Okay. Unless there's any questions, I will be calling it a day. I wish you guys a wonderful rest of the day. Stay safe. See you. I won't be here tomorrow. I have something to do. I will see you back on Wednesday. Okay. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe. See you in a couple of days. Bye-bye.